Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Momita Maiti. Today I am going to give you the detailed analysis of the poem Palm Tree written by Rabindranath Tagore. This description is meant for grade 7 children. Rabindranath Tagore, also known by his pen name Bhanu Sinha Thakur and also known by his sobriquets as Gurudev, Kabi Guru and Vishwakabi, was a polymath, poet, musician, artist and Ayurveda researcher from the Indian subcontinent. Now let's learn something about the poem. It is believed that a palm tree at Shantiniketan inspired Rabindranath Tagore to compose this poem of yearning and fulfillment. In this poem, the poet describes a palm tree and its wishes for something more. Men have used palm tree from the dawn of civilization. The palm was a symbol of triumph and victory in Roman times, and in Middle Eastern cultures, the palm symbolizes hospitality and rest. Now let's read the poem in details. Stanza 1. The palm tree stands on one leg, sees past other trees into the sky. He wants to pierce the clouds so grey and soar away, but can he fly? The palm tree stands tall in the night. The poet imagines that the palm tree, with its long trunk, looks as though it is standing on one leg, taller than the others, looking into the sky. He imagines that the tree wants to pierce the grey clouds and fly into the sky. Stanza 2. At length his wish he starts to spread around his head in big round fronds. He thinks they are wings to let him roam away from home, breaking all bonds. In the second verse, the speaker says that as leaves begin to grow and spread around the top or head of the tree, the palm tree begins to believe that its wishes is coming true. According to the speaker, the palm tree imagines the long leaves with fronds to be wings, which will allow him to move about freely, away from home, breaking all ties, all relationships and responsibilities that hold him down. Stanza 3. The livelong day the branches quiver, shy and shiver. He thinks he flies. In his own mind, skirting the stars, racing afar across the skies. All day long, the branches of the tree shake and move in the breeze. The speaker imagines that the tree is shying and quivering as it thinks in its own mind that it is flying high, touching the stars and racing far across the sky. Stanza 4. But when the wind is still at last and the leaves hushed, back homeward then, he turns his thoughts and Mother Earth that gave him birth he loves again. But as soon as the wind stops and the leaves of the palm are silent and still, now the speaker imagines that the palm tree returns to its reality. He imagines that the tree thinks about its love for earth, its mother who gave birth to him. And then in this stillness comes a realization, and the tree once again feels a love for the earth. What is the theme of the poem? In our restless moments, we often look forward and yearn for things we cannot have. But if we are still and reflect on the gifts that life has given us, we find fulfillment. The poetic devices that are used in the poem are imagery. The poem tree is personified. It stands, it sees, it wishes, it thinks, it shies, it shivers, and it also imagines. Symbolism. The palm tree's wish for something more is perhaps an allegory of human yearning. The need to soar could represent the human need for freedom and space, a need for something more. Bonds perhaps symbolize restrictions and responsibilities that we feel tie us down. Looking homeward towards Mother Earth perhaps symbolize our roots, our home, our families, a place of familiar love and comfort. What is the purpose of the poem? to realize that we all have yearnings and yet we must honor our roots. Thank you, children, for attending the class. Please go through the poem once again in your textbook and try to solve the questions which are given over there. And once the school reopens, the answers will be discussed with you in the classroom. Thank you all.